In this video, we're going to learn how to set up the bot for the Bybit Exchange. You navigate to the bot settings, and then you scroll down to find your Bybit account. Under Bybit, you're going to find instructions, and you just need to follow step by step. Start by clicking on Create New Key. That will open the Bybit. Next, you give a name to the key. You make sure it's read and write permissions. Now you configure only IPs. You copy the IP, which is your maximum security, meaning only your bot on Swift trading can perform trades for this key. Paste. Next, you select standard account, and that will give permissions to trade all the future contracts. Then you hit submit. Now your key is created. So you copy the API key, paste on the site, and copy your secret and paste on the site. You hit understood. In order to test your keys, you navigate to the trading exchange under XRP USDT and go to execute test trade. Keep in mind that we execute an XRP position of size 1. So once you hit execute test trade, on the exchange you should see the trade being taken. If everything is properly set up, you can now manually close the open trade and activate your bot and start trading.